How to charge for gas on Turo. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how you can charge for gas on Turo. And this is how to go about it. The first step is for you to log in into your Turo account, just like I've done here. And once you have logged in into your Turo account, the next step is to go to your Trips tab and move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see your profile icon, click on it, then select Trips. By selecting Trips, you will be taken to your Trips tab. So once you're in this particular page or on this particular page, choose the trip where the guest returned the car with less gas than it had when they picked it up. Then on the trips page, you'd see different details like change trip and the likes. So tap charge for incidentals. All right, that is the option that you should click on. Charge for incidentals, and then choose fuel to create an invoice for the missing gas. Then enter the amount of gas missing and any additional fees such as convenience fee, and then submit the invoice to the guest. The guest would receive a notification as can either accept the charge or dispute it if they believe it is incorrect. So make sure to document the fuels levels and any receipts to support your claim when needed. So before you let out your car, ensure that you document the fuel level of your car or the gas level of your car so that you can easily make support your claim if needed. Okay, so that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.